Hello students, thank you for registering for the free workshop, doll making workshop on 1st November. Some of you have asked me questions relating to what material should we use, should we buy, etc. etc. I thought I will take a video and make you understand what is this class all about, what will you learn, and what are the things required, etc. All right. So before that, some of you know me already, and for most of you, I see the numbers are new in the group. I am Nisha Shrikant. I run a doll factory in Chennai. I also run a school of doll making under the name Sri Kolhapuri Doll School, and the manufacturing unit is Sri Kolhapuri Dolls. And I also have a cultural boutique in Chennai where we sell dolls and other culture related products like return gifts, puja products, etc. And the fourth unit is Sri Kolhapuri Craft Store where we sell all doll making materials. So these are the four verticals under Sri Kolhapuri banner. So I head the unit, and so through this school of doll making, what I have done is I have trained more than 3,000 students in the last 6-7 years almost, and some of them have graduated and have started their own business. I'm so happy as a trainer or as a teacher that they have started their own business and making money from home. And for some of the students, it is just a passion like me who love making dolls. So whatever the reason, it does not matter if you want to make and sell dolls or if you want to make dolls for yourself. This is the best idea which can give happiness, money, and what else, right? Okay, so those are the secondary things. What is that I wanted to share with you is the 1st November class is ideally for beginners. You may have experience or you may not have experience, it does not matter. So I will share all the other details. The Zoom link, I will share it in the group. Okay, by 30th or 29th, I will share the Zoom link. You can register and join on 1st November. So the class will start exactly at 11, and I want you all those who are in the WhatsApp group now. You can register and join 5 minutes before so that we can start the class on time and finish off on exactly by 1.5 hours. So the class, first 10 minutes, a small introduction, and the next 20 minutes or 15 minutes, I will talk about different types of dolls, what are the materials in general required, and what is the difference between doll making and doll makeover. And then next 30 minutes, I will show you how I am converting an ordinary doll with minimum items, right? So almost all the items will be available in the fancy store or stores near to your house. Only 2 items where there will be where that you might not receive, but I will tell you what alternate you can use. Fine. So we are going to use minimum items to make those dolls and convert using simple easy techniques how you can convert that doll into beautiful dolls. Okay, that is 30 minutes live demo I will show you. And after that, all those who are interested, you can join the upcoming programs. There are lots of paid programs and free programs. Every month, one free class. And I also have pre-recorded paid programs. So where I will give all the materials and I will give access to the tutorials that I will talk later during the class. Fine. So this is the structure of free class. So 10-minute introduction. 10 to 15 minutes doll making materials and basics of doll making, 30 minutes live demo, and the last 10 minutes I will talk about other programs. Okay, so this is the schedule. So I want you to join on time so that we can finish the class exactly by 12:15 or 12:30 before lunch. Okay, and you don't need to pay and you don't need any materials now. There will not be recordings for this because I want you to watch it live. Okay, the recording, about the recording I will talk during the class. So I don't want you to miss the class. So you will learn the basics, all the basics about doll making, doll makeover actually, and then material details, etc. So you don't need any materials. You just come with a relaxed mindset keep a pen and a paper. If there are any questions, I will handle at the end of the session. So do not, in between the class, do not ask any questions because I will not be able to focus. So keep a note and a pen. If you have any questions, make a note of that and I will definitely answer at the end of the session. Okay, so 5-10 minutes we will allocate for question and answer. Fine. What else? So that's about it. If there are any more questions, I will be happy to handle. I want you to come prepared with an open, happy mindset. Nothing else is required. Your creative mindset is already there with you. I'm just going to add some more creativity to your ideas and thoughts. Okay. So if you are watching this video for the first time and if you would like to register for the free class on 1st November 2026, send a WhatsApp message in 75400678838. Okay, the moment you get to send a WhatsApp message, you will automatically get a link to join the group. So join the group. The reason why I am asking you to join the group, because it is difficult because already there are 150, 200 plus new students. So it becomes difficult for me to give information to individuals. So if you are in a group, it is easy for me to give all the details in the group. Hope you understand. Okay. So 2 things that I want you to do before the class. One is save my number. Only if you save my number, you will get updates about the class. Fine, because every month I am conducting free class and paid class. So do not forget to save the number. You can save it at School of Doll Making or Sri Kolhapuri Doll School, so that you will know it is relating to doll. Fine. Okay. And where to buy materials, what materials, etc., etc., everything I will share during the class, and do not worry now. I think I have answered all the questions. I will meet you all on 1st November. In between, if there is something that comes up, I will communicate to you through WhatsApp and YouTube channel. One more thing that I wanted to tell you is I have uploaded lots of free videos in my YouTube channel. Okay. So once you receive what you need to do is you need to subscribe and go to playlist. In that playlist, look for free doll making tutorials. Okay, so you go to that tutorials, I think I have uploaded some 50-60 videos, I'm not sure. So you can see free videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, so all those beginners, it will be very useful. So what you need to do is follow the YouTube channel and also follow the WhatsApp YouTube channel and WhatsApp channel. So I will be giving information through this, and every month I will be giving offers on doll making materials also. Okay, so sometimes we give 50-60% offers on dolls also. Many of the students have benefited this. So that's it. All right. Okay, this is Nisha here. I will be happy to see you all live on 1st November. Till then, bye-bye.